Hello and welcome candidates to the study of leadership and management. In our today's session, we will continue with the topic marketing management, and the lesson is on marketing research. In our today's lesson, we have 3 learning objectives. The first one is that we are going to define marketing research. Number 2, we'll outline the role of marketing research. And then 3, the functions of marketing research. Firstly, let us define marketing research. Candidates, marketing research is defined as the systematic gathering and analysis of marketing-related data. It is the systematic marketing research is the systematic gathering and analysis of marketing-related data in order to produce information that can be used in decision making. That's the meaning of marketing research. I repeat, marketing research is the systematic gathering and analysis of marketing data for the purposes of producing information that can be used in decision making. And it involves following a systematic sequence of steps that will produce reliable and valid information. And through analysis and interpretation, the data is then transformed into information that is suitable for decision-making purposes by the managers. And typically, data alone, candidates, data alone cannot be usable. That data has to be analyzed, the data has to be interpreted, and it is the analysis, candidates, and the interpretation of the data that makes that data useful to managers. And candidates, marketing research is carried out by the marketing department. The information can be gathered also either through internal sources or externally. That can be done sometimes by a research, marketing research firm, and so on. So the information gathered is then used to make decisions that are related to marketing mix or other marketing functions. So that's the meaning of marketing research. We'll now outline the functions of marketing research. And in our today's session, we will discuss 4 functions of marketing research. The first function is known as the exploratory function. Exploratory function. Number 2 is the descriptive function. Descriptive function. The 4th function is known as the diagnostic function. Then lastly, predictive function. Predictive function. Predictive function. So what is this exploratory function? From the word explore. Now, candidates, the exploratory function of marketing research occurs when researchers have a limited understanding or knowledge they may have limited understanding or no knowledge at all about a marketing situation or a particular outcome. For example, a company may be losing customers, or a company may be registering low sales. The sales may be declining, but managers are not sure. They may not know why that is the case. So, marketing research can be used to explore some of the possible causes of loss of sales or customers. That is the exploratory function. The second function is the descriptive function. Descriptive function refers to the gathering and presentation of information about a marketing phenomenon or situation. Descriptive function. The third function is the diagnostic function. The diagnostic function, candidates of marketing research, is particularly helpful in several situations. And under diagnostic function, data analysis techniques are used to investigate relationships and phenomena within data that can be gathered through marketing research. And it is important, it's an important function to marketers because it allows marketers to discover interrelationships within data that is collected. Diagnostic function. The fourth function is the predictive function, from the word predict. The predictive function of marketing research allows data to be used to predict or to forecast the results of a marketing decision or customer action. And for example, retailers may use predictive research to determine what items a consumer is likely to purchase together. So, marketing research can be used to estimate the impact, for example, of a product, or to predict the impact of sales promotion and so on. It is used to it can also be used to predict the market share of a brand extension or a new product introduction. So these are some of the role or the functions that are the functions of marketing research. Number one, exploratory function. Number two, descriptive function. Number three, diagnostic function. Then lastly, predictive function. We'll now move, candidates, to discuss the roles of marketing research. Roles of marketing research. Roles of marketing research. I will discuss 6 roles of marketing research. The first one is segmentation and targeting. Number 2, product development. Number 3, marketing communication. Number 4, marketing analysis. Number 5, pricing and forecasting. Then lastly, site selection and distribution. Site selection and distribution. 6 roles of marketing research. 1, segmentation and targeting. 3, product development. 3, marketing communication. 4, marketing analysis. 5, pricing and forecasting. 6, site selection and distribution. Now, candidates, before I discuss the roles of marketing research, it's important to note that the primary objective of conducting marketing research is to support marketing decisions. And we know that managers will never have perfect knowledge. And as a result, there will always be some uncertainty in choosing a course of action. But through marketing research, the amount of uncertainty can be reduced, allowing the managers to be more confident of the best decision that should be taken. And it was on that basis that we now discuss the roles of marketing research. Marketing research plays a number of roles. One of them being segmentation and targeting. Segmentation and targeting. What do we mean by segmentation and targeting? Now, candidates, marketing research provides essential information for decisions on segmentation and targeting. For example, we can have what we call benefit and lifestyle studies that examine the similarities and differences consumers seek in products and how the benefits fit into a particular lifestyle. The information is then coupled with the target market analysis, which provides basic demographic, geographic, psychographic, and behavioral information about specific target markets. And from such studies, candidates, or from such research studies, marketers can then decide which segment then best matches the features of their brands. So that is the role of market research as far as segmentation and targeting is concerned. Number 2, product development. Product development. Now, marketing research, candidates, is used in all stages of product development, beginning from the conception. Marketing research can be used in the concept stage to gather customer input or ideas that customers may have about the product. Marketing research can be used in the next stage of, say, testing. Testing studies, candidates identify how a product fits the needs of customers and what changes need to be made to the product to make it more attractive. So, test markets, candidates, can be conducted to provide information on how well a new product or product modification will do before the product is launched. Product development. That is the role of of market research in product development. The third role is market communication. Communication, we can add, and media selection. Market communication and media selection. Marketing research candidates can provide valuable information concerning marketing communications and media selection. For example, candidates, advertising effectiveness research examines the effectiveness of advertising and marketing communications. And such studies can be conducted on a continuous basis and compared to a benchmark compared to previous advertising campaigns or competitive advertising. So inputs from such research studies allows the marketers to develop a more effective advertising and marketing communications. Number 4, marketing analysis. Marketing analysis, we can also add competitive analysis. All right? That is another role of marketing research, marketing analysis. And candidates' marketing analysis study examines the current marketing situations faced by a company or a brand, and then identifies potential markets. And while market analysis studies are especially important for new products or entry into new markets, the studies are also important for current products as market dynamics always change. So market analysis is not just important for launching a new product. No, even for the ongoing products, the current products, marketing analysis should be conducted. Why? Because the market is always dynamic and companies can lose market share very quickly if they are not in touch with current consumer behavior trends. That's role number 4 of marketing research. Role number 5 is pricing and forecasting. Pricing and forecasting. Candidates, we all know by now that pricing is a very important determinant in buying decisions. Before customers buy products, price, especially in developing countries, is an important determinant. So, pricing studies can be used to evaluate elasticity of demand of or elasticity of a brand's price and the impact that pricing may have on demand of a product. And part of a pricing study is to examine competitors' prices and determine how consumers evaluate price, to examine the competitors' prices and determine how they evaluate the prices relative to other product features. So pricing, candidates, is a very important determinant, and that is one role that marketing research plays as far as pricing is concerned. When setting prices of products, it's important to carry out pricing studies. Then lastly, we have selection and distribution. Selection and distribution, that's another role of marketing research. Now, site selection studies, site selection studies or research can help retailers to determine the best locations for their shops or stores. And other research studies can also help determine whether a single or a multi-channel distribution system will be most effective or not, or which channels a manufacturer should use, how logistics can be improved, and so on and so forth. So these are 6 roles of marketing research. Number 1, segmentation and targeting. Number 2, product development. Number 3, market communications and media selection. Number 4, marketing analysis and competitive analysis. Number 5, pricing and forecasting. Number 6, site selection and distribution. So these are 6 roles of marketing research, and that effectively brings today's lesson to a close, where we defined marketing research. We outlined the functions of marketing research, and number 3, the roles of marketing research. Remember, those are the 3 lesson objectives. We had 3 objectives. Number 1, we say that by the end of this lesson, you should be able to, number 1, define marketing research. Number 2, outline the functions of marketing research. Number 3, identify the roles of marketing research. And before we bring the lesson to a close, I'll give you an assignment. Here is your assignment. Number 1, define marketing research. Number 2, outline 4 functions of marketing research. Number 3, discuss 6 roles of marketing research. Thank you for attending today's session. In our next session, we are going to continue with the lesson on marketing research, where we will discuss the benefits and the limitations of marketing research. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.